Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very simple baby potato curry that can be enjoyed with chapati, roti or with some rice. And I hope you find this recipe useful. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make potato gravy. For this recipe I've taken half a kilo of baby potatoes. You can also use large potatoes. I'm going to make it with the skin, so add salt and wash it thoroughly. Using a fork or a knife, just prick it so that the salt and spice will get into it. Add enough water and some salt and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can pressure cook it for 2 whistles. Potatoes are cooked well, drain out the water and set aside. For the gravy, we need to make a paste. For that, into a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. To this I am adding 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 2 tomatoes roughly chopped and 12 cashew nuts. Just saute it for 2 minutes and then we are going to grind this into a smooth paste. For the onions and tomatoes to cook fast, I am adding some salt. Tomatoes are nice and soft. Turn off the flame, let it cool down and then grind this into a smooth paste. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of butter. I'm adding half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next goes in the ground paste. Cook it on a low flame for 2 minutes. While the paste is getting cooked, let's add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This will give a nice color to the dish. Coriander powder will give thickness to the gravy. Add some salt to taste. Mix all the spices well. Add some water. Let the spices cook for 3 minutes on a low flame. It's been simmering for 3 minutes. Now let's add the boiled potatoes. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add salt if needed. And I'm going to add half a teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Again cover and simmer it for 5 more minutes. The gravy has come together and it's almost done, and also the oil has started to separate. Now in this stage I'm adding quarter teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves, a handful of coriander leaves, quarter cup of fresh cooking cream. One more time, give all this a nice mix. Baby potato gravy is done. Looks absolutely delightful. Finally, finish off with some butter and turn off the flame. There you have it, smooth and silky baby potato gravy in restaurant style, which is very quick and easy to make. So do try this and enjoy. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends, and consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video, and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.